Is it possible to make a TikTok recipe for potato pillows quicker and cuter? Let's try. Today on Packaged Food Gourmet, we're going to turn instant mashed potatoes into cherry blossom shaped crispy bubble potatoes. If you like what you see, please support the channel by clicking the thumbs up. Winter is ending and the trees are blooming, but it's not that warm out yet. So when I came across a TikTok recipe for pillow potatoes that has over 9 million views, it made me wonder, would it be possible to use box mashed potatoes and make these into spring-themed comfort food? We've got our good friend Betty Crocker instant mashed potatoes back in the kitchen today to help make our gourmet dreams come true. In case it's not obvious, I'm not sponsored by any brands and usually choose the most recognizable and easy to find packaged options. So by all means, feel free to use any other box mashed potatoes. Just be sure to follow their specific package directions when preparing them. Let's get started. The first step is making the potatoes. For Betty Crocker, that means bringing 3 cups of water with a pinch of salt and 2 tablespoons of margarine to a boil, then removing from heat. Add in the potato pouches and a cup of milk, then stir to combine. To boost the flavor, add in 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, a bit more salt, and some black pepper, then set the potatoes aside to cool. To a wok or skillet, add a few inches of oil for frying. This one is peanut oil because it creates a nice crispy exterior. You can use other oils that have a high smoke point like canola oil if you prefer. Let that warm up over medium heat while completing the next steps. Once the mashed potatoes are cool enough to handle, it's time to make the dough. Give the potatoes a taste to make sure you're happy with the flavor and adjust the seasoning accordingly. With a kitchen scale, weigh out 325 grams of mashed potatoes. That's approximately 1.5 cups. To make these cute and spring-themed, I added a little pink food coloring to a portion of the dough and used a flour stamp mold to cut out the shapes. You can omit the color and use cookie cutters or cut the dough into tater tot style shapes if you want to keep it simple. Add in 3 tablespoons of glutinous rice flour, half a tablespoon of potato starch, half a tablespoon of cornstarch, and mix until you get a soft dough. Portion out the dough into even pieces and dust the outside with a little extra potato starch. Once the pieces are shaped, it's time to fry them. Carefully place them one at a time in the hot oil for about a minute, then flip them over and cook for another minute. Remove them from the oil and place on a paper towel. Once all the pieces have been fried once, turn the oil temperature up to medium-high and add them back in until they turn crispy golden brown. My gosh, look how adorable these are! To finish, you could sprinkle them with some powdered seasoning or serve them up with ketchup or other dipping sauces. Let's see how they taste. How would you like some taters?
Precious?
Yeah.
They look like flowers.
Yeah.
Those are actually really good.
I bet you can guess the secret ingredient. We've used it before.
Betty Crocker potatoes?
Yeah. Thank you so much for stopping by today. If you want to visit again, please like and subscribe. You can also comment below and let me know what ingredient you'd like me to use next. I'll be serving up another gourmet dish made with packaged food next Thursday at 2 p.m. Pacific time. See you then!